Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturally Nappy here, and if you're old here, what's up? Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome aboard the Naturally Nappy family. Today we will be demonstrating this Twist Secret tool on my natural hair. It says Twist Secret is a completely new hairstyling tool that is very useful for twisting hair quickly and easily. In a few easy steps, create your own stylish curls which can be held in place later with jewelry or bands. With the Twist Secret, you're free to try out new ideas and styles. Twist and curls, all your hair, or just a few locks. Let your imagination run wild. If you push it up, it will make the red twisting thingies swirl around, which will twist the hair. And if you push it down, it moves the entire tool to swirl around and do the twisting motion. And if you push up these little nozzles on the side, it will open up the red tabs, and that's where you stick your hair at. It has like a little groove area so that your hair won't easily slip out, and it'll actually like grip it like a comb. So here I have my dry hair. I am parting it in a section. I wet it with the water bottle just a little, and I add hair product to it. I didn't want to damp it too much because I've never used this tool on dripping wet hair, so I didn't want to ruin the actual tool. So I just stuck to, wetting it up a little bit and moisturizing the hair. Definitely focusing on my roots as well as my ends. Then I take the tool and open up the little areas because I have to put my hair in between it. I section my hair into two sections as if I'm about to start doing a 2-strand twist. And then I take the nozzle of the hand tool and I clamp my hair on there, and I do the same thing with the other piece. So now that I have both sections of my hair in the tool, I push my hair down to the ends and I begin twisting. So this is when I push the nozzle up. It twists my hair as if I'm doing finger coils, and my hair came loose. So then I put my hair back on it, and then I pushed it down to do the twist motion. I tried to do it as tight as I could because I wanted my roots to also be stretched. And then it doesn't twist all the way to the end, which is a con to the tool, but you get the gist. I noticed that when I do the twist with the tool, it's tighter and more defined, and my ends are more poofy. So I knew that would be a difference, but we'll see at the end how it turns out. It does get a little harder to push the red buttons up and down when your hands are slippery, so that was a little of a problem as well, and it's hard to actually push it. But look at it, it's so pretty. So this is my finished product. I have 2-strand twists. And then here I am the next day, ready to take my hair down. I didn't like it at all instantly. The difference between doing regular 2-strand twists and using this tool, when twisting it like you're doing a finger coil, it makes it so tight that when you go to unravel it, it's hard to get the volume back. Now my hair is stretched perfectly. I have a lot of definition. My hair is shiny. It's not dry or anything. I don't have any tangles, but I lost a lot of the definition that I was expecting to get from using this tool, which was the con, and I didn't want that. I wasn't expecting that outcome when doing this 2-strand twist. So I tried the best I could to unravel it as much as I could at the roots. It was a fail, a complete fail. So I came back that afternoon and I restarted this. So I thought that if I made bigger sections that it wouldn't be as defined, but still it did not work as if I wanted it to. Still looks pretty, right? Still stretching at the roots. Think I'm doing something. Just doing bigger sections here, still wetting the hair, doing the same method as I did before, just in bigger sections. Twist it up first and then twist it around each other to do the 2-strand twist. And taking it off of the 2 at the end, and I twist the ends myself. Yeah, and we're back the next day. Hoping that this one turns out better than the first attempt, and still it's a fail. When twisting the hair up the first round, when pushing the nozzle up, it creates this tight coil that doesn't help when trying to take it down and fluffing it up. So now I have fluffy roots, straight ends, curly ends, and it just looks a complete mess. So this was a complete fail, ladies and gents. Complete fail. I'm not sure how to make this tool work in my favor, but for 4C hair, this was a complete fail.